See, in previous lecture we are complete the syllabus of interfacing of 8051 with different peripheral device. From today onwards, we are taking the programs, 20 to 30 programs we have to take, and each and every program, just simple program that you have to develop the logic, and you can understand the different instructions also, which instruction is for the which addressing mode is also. We are discussing all the parts. First, we are discussing what is the program, then we are discussing the logic of that program, and after completion of that logic, then we are discussing the which addressing mode we have to use there. So it's such a 20 to 30 programs you are taken for the for next two sessions are there. So this is the first program. Write ALP means assembly language program. Write ALP means assembly language program to toggle a port 0 continuous. Remember, toggle the port 0 continuous. The program is there. Toggle means what? Toggle means what? If port 0 is contain value 0, after this it will go to the 1 value, then again it will go to the 0, and again it go to the 1 is there. So toggle the port 0 continuous means you have to continuous process will be done. Port 0 will continuous toggle. Port 0 means what? It contains the 8 inputs are there. Means 8 bit port is there, or you can 8 input or 8 output is there. 8 bit port is there. So each and every bit should be toggle is there. So suppose all bits are 000. After that, all bits are 111 is there. Then again you have to all bits are 00. Then again all bits are the 11 is there. Okay. So this is a toggle ports are there. This is the toggle of the port 0 is there. You can take any port, but here they are giving the port 0 is there for the toggle is there. So what is the program is there? See, what is the program is there? First start move a comma hash ffh is there. Move a comma hash ffh is there. So take the ffh into a, then move a into p0. Okay, move a into p0 is there. Okay, so you have to put a value of ff means 111 to the all port pins to the port 0 is there. Okay, so the port pins are port 0 0.1 0 0.2 0 0.3 up to the 0.8 is there. Sorry, 0.0 to 0.7 is there. 8 pins are there. So each and every pin becomes a 1 is there because you are transfer the FFH means 11111 It is transferred to the port 0 is there. So it is 111 four ones and 1111 is it 8 bits. So this is 4 and this 4 8 bits. Your transfer to the accumulator is there, and this accumulator is transferred to the port. So which is port 0.0 to 0.7 is there. So due to that, all pins or all pins connected to the port 0 becomes 1 is there. All pins of the port 0 becomes 1 is there. A call delay, call delay are the same we are discussing previous. Same function you have to write down. Here is delay, you can write here is delay is there, and write down the 2 3 lines here that decrement jump not 0, and move rf0 is equal to 0.5. You're discussing this call delay in previous province. So same call delay you have to write here. Then after that you have to write 0 0 is there to the port a is there. So you have to put 0 0 is to the port a is there, and then port a to the port a to p0 is there. Then you have to port a to the p0 is there. Okay, so all becomes a 0 0 is there. So after that 1 1 it becomes a 0. So port 0 is contain 1 1. After this instruction, port 0 becomes a 0 0 is there. Okay, a call delay is there, then a call delay is there, and go to the sjump start is there. A call delay and then go to the sjump start is there. The same process is done by 0 1 there. So each and every time this is the port become port 0 becomes a toggle is there. So simple program is there. See, first you have to transfer 111 means ffh to the accumulator, then accumulator to port 0. See, here we not transfer to the ffh directly to the port 0 is there. So that we have transfer to the accumulator to the port 0 there. That's why these two instructions are important are there. So ffh transfer to the accumulator, then accumulator transfer to the port 0. So port 0 becomes a 1 1 is there. After that, a call delay is there. Then next, your transfer 0 0 to the a there, and then a to the port 0 is there. Your transfer a to the port 0 is there, and then a call delay, and again sjump start. So same process will be executed. Same process will be done is there. So this is the first program. Write the program toggle port 0 continuously. Next program is there. write ALP program to get byte from port 0. You have to take a byte from port 0 and send it to the port 2. You have to take a byte from port A, port 0 and send it to the port 2. Okay. So first program is you have to take a byte from port 0 and then you have transfer to the byte to the where port 2 is there. Okay, means you have to take the byte from port 0 and then you have transfer to the port 2 is there. So here you have take the byte FFH into the A is there, then you have transfer the A to the P0 is there, then you have to transfer P0 to the A is there. What is the meaning of these lines? See, these two lines are there. See, when your port is taken a data, the port 0 should be a input port. If you have to taken a data in port 0 is act as an input port is there. So for the input ports, you have to take a value of the port is 111 is there. So all the input of the port 1, port should be a 11 is there, so that this FF is transferred to the accumulator is there. And this accumulator is transferred to the P0 is there. So it is a called a input port. It is called input port. So these two lines decide that port 0 is act as an input port. Port 0 is act as an input port. So you have to take an input from outside to the port 0. You have to take the input from outside the port 0. This input is transferred to the accumulator. This input is transferred to the accumulator there. So if you are connected to port 0, if LED is there, you have to take the input from the outside. This port 0 input is transferred to the accumulator is there. Okay. So these two lines are for the input ports. You have to take an input from the outside. This input is coming to the port 0. This port 0 is transfer the input to the accumulator, and this accumulator is transferred this data to the P2 is there. The accumulator transfer data to the P2 is there. So these are the restrictions of 8051. These are the restrictions of 8051 because you are not direct write down the instructions like this. Suppose I want to try, what is the program is there? You transfer result from port 0 to port 2. So you have to write down like this. Move port 2 comma port 0. Means what? You transfer the data port 0 to port 2 is there. But such an instruction is not present in our 8051. So this is the restriction of 8051 is there. This is the restriction of the 8051 is there. So for that purpose, we have to take a data from port 0 to the first accumulator, and this accumulator is transferred to the port 2. This accumulator is transferred to the port 2 is there, and then HGM start is there. So same thing we have to use this is the transfer of data port 0 to port 2. Okay, so understand this is the program for the simple programs. See, such a programs are asked in the examination. If there is offline examination is there, such a program is asked in the examination there. Such a programs are asked in the examination is there to transfer data from port 0 to port 2 is there. To transfer a data from port 0 to port 2 is there. So restriction of this 8051 is that you have to use the accumulator in between to transfer a data from port or take a data from the port. We have to use the mediator is as a accumulator is there. And for the input port, we have to put a 11 FFH into the port. And if you want to port is act as output ports, you have to use the 00H is there. So this is the restrictions of the 8051, and this is the program for the transfer the port 0 to port 2 is there. Next. Third program, write ALP to complement all the bits P0, P1, P2, and P3 continuously. Write ALP to complement all the bits of port 0, port 1, port 2, and port 3 is there. Okay. Just take a 2 minutes and please see the because we are discussing the first two programs are there. बघा तुम्हाला समजतं का program, then I will discuss the program. Then take a 2 minutes are there. This simple program I am writing. If you want to, if you have to the jump instructions. You can reduce the length of the program also, but we are taking the simple program that you can understand the instructions also. And please check that which instruction is used for the which addressing mode is there, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, or register addressing mode, or immediate addressing mode. So just विचार करा, तुम्हाला समजते का कुठले कुठले इन्स्ट्रक्शन कुठे कुठे वापरले जातात. चेक दिस. Just I would divide the program, then you can understand. See, this is the one. This line and this line are the same. Okay. Sorry. So this is the line and this line is used for the delay purpose. Then you have to see this is the transfer the data to the port from accumulator. Okay. And here also you transfer the data from accumulator to the port. So this is the another is there. Okay. So these four lines are the same. And different is that this is the line for the FFH is there, and here you transfer the line for the 00H is there. So only the difference there. You can reduce the length of this program by using njump instructions there, but we are not doing this for simple programming. We have to use a delay for each and every part. Just you can understand the logic or what are the logic we have to use by reducing the jump, giving the jump instruction. You can also reduce the length of the program is there. But just for simple program, third program is there. So see the program is there. Okay. So first see what is the program. Complement all the bits. Complement means what? If your bit port 0 is contain a bit of 1 is there, then after the complement it becomes a 0 is there. Again after that it becomes 1 is there. After that it becomes a 0 is there. So continuous process will be done. Continuous process will be done to complement the bits of all the ports are there. To complement the bits of all the ports are there. Okay. So this is the restriction of our uh, so we have to use the complements of the all the bits of port 0 1 2 and 3 is there. Okay. So see the first line is there. Here first I'm taking the all ones into the port A is there. I'm taking all one into the port A is there. Okay, one you have to transfer the port A is there, and this port A1 is transferred to the each and every port is there. So A is transferred to the P0, A is transferred to the P1, A is transferred to the P2, and A is transferred to the P3. So all the ports bits or all the ports lines are contain a value is the 1 is there. So 8 lines contain a value 1 is there. So A is transferred to P0, A is transferred to P1, A is P2, and A is P3. So all values are contains into the each port is 1 is there. Okay. After that, what I am doing, just giving a delay is there. So these lines, these two lines, move R0 comma hash 200 and decrement jump if not 0 R0 comma alt 2. जोपर्यंत R0 में at that if R0 is not contain a value of 0, it just decrement jump if not 0. If you have to decrement jump if not 0, R0 is go to the L2 is there. जोपर्यंत याच्यामध्ये 0 येत नाही, जोपर्यंत R0 मध्ये 0 येत नाही, you have to decrement the R0. When R0 is not become a 0, you have to decrement the R0. Okay, till you are not getting a 0 is there. So this is a delay. You can take any value is 2000, 200, 300, how much delay you want this. So these two lines are used for the delays there. So for some time you have to, if you are connected the LED to the port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3 there, all 8 LEDs, 8 into 4, 24 LEDs will be, sorry, 32 LEDs will be on is there, because you have to put a value of 1 to the each, or give the value of 1 to the each of the port is there. So if you are connected the LED of all the ports, then your all the LEDs will be glow is there. All the LEDs are the glow is there. And this is the delay, or sometime it is so we can see as a glow is there. After that, what I am doing, I am transferring the 00H to the accumulator. You can transferring the 00H to the accumulator is there. And then after that, what will happen after that, you have to transfer the 00 to the port 0, port 1, port 2, and port 3. Port 0, port 1, port 2, and port 3. So all 0 will be transferred to the port 0, port 1. So after, if you are connected the LED to the all the ports, after this instruction, your LED will be off. After this instruction, your LED will be off because all the ports contain a value of 00. All the ports contain a value of the 00 there. So LED will be off is there. And then again, move RJ. This is for the delay. Same line is there. This is for the delay. And then you have to go to the end jump one. Then again, you have to put a value of FF to the port A and then go to the end jump. So at home, you have to see this program and write a program to reduce a delay. Write a delay of 2 times. You have to reduce the delay at 1 times. How? Please check this. If you तुम्हाला जर येत असेल तर बघा काय करा तर you have to here we have to use the 2 times delay is there, means 4 lines we have to use. Replace the 2 times delay with one times only. You have to execute this, and then we will again for next process it will go to the same delay will be generated. But here we have to check this delay 2 times. You have to use for the only 1 times is there. So for that purpose, what is the program you have to done? See this and try at home is there. Okay. म्हणजे काय करायचं, आपण त्याचे काय 2 वेळा डिले वापरलेला आहे, त्याच्याऐवजी फक्त एकदाच डिले वापरा. यू हॅव टू ओनली वन टाइम्स यू हॅव टू यूज द डिले. बट दिस डिले इज यूज फॉर दिस लाईन ऑल्सो, दिस लाईन ऑल्सो. ते कसं वापरायचं पहा, तुम्हाला येते का? जस्ट ट्राय फॉर दिस and reduce the 2 lines of the program is there. Okay, so this is the program to complement all bits of port 0, port 1, port 2, and port 3 continuously. See, just we discuss the addressing mode. I'm not discussing. This is the first is the immediate addressing mode. This is the register addressing mode, register addressing mode, register addressing mode, register addressing mode. This is also an immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. All are the register addressing mode. Here immediate addressing mode. This is also register addressing modes are there. Okay. Here is no any at the rate. So there is an indirect, direct addressing mode is don't. Here only immediate addressing modes are there. Immediate addressing modes and register addressing modes we have to use there. Okay, immediate addressing mode and direct addressing mode. See, write ALP to toggle the bit P2.3 continuously. You have to write ALP means assembly language program to toggle a bit P2.3 continuously. Okay, in previous 3 programs, what we have to do, we have to directly work on the all the bits of the ports. You have to directly work on the all the ports, all the pins of the ports are there. Here we have to work on only one bit is there, means only one pin of your port. You have to work on only one pin of the port. So for that purpose, which instruction we have to use? We have to use the bit manipulation instruction. We have to use bit manipulation instruction. Means what? You have to toggle the only a single bit is there. You have to toggle the single bit is there. Okay, means you have to work on only one pin of your port, or you can say only one bit of the port is there. You can say anything. So this is the program. You have to toggle the bit of port 2.3. 2.3 means what? This is the port. P2 is the name of the port. P2 is the name of the port, and this 3 is which bit you have to use, or which pin we have to use is there. What is the pin is? Your pin is started from 0 to 7 is there. Your pin is started from 0 to 7 is there. So this is the name of the port. See this is the name of this port. P2 is there, and here is the pin which we have to toggle is our pin which you have to work on, that pins is there. So this is the name of the pin is there, or give the name, or you can say number of that pin is there, and here we have to give the name of the port is there. It is the name of the pin, and here we have to use the port name is there. So this is a toggle the bit P2.3 is there continuously. Toggle means you can understand toggle means 0 1 0 0. Only we have to bit port 1. So when you are work with the any bit, for that purpose we have to use the bit manipulation instructions. We have to use the bit manipulation instructions are there. We are working with the bit manipulation instructions. So how to work bit manipulation instructions? See, for the set and clear, we have to use this is set bit. Set means set, and this B means you can say this is the bit is there. This B is called the bit is there. Set means set. This B is called the bit is there. Again, port 2.3 bit is there. Port 2.3 bit is there. Then again, A call delay. Again, we have to use the A call delay is there. A call delay. Same you can write two lines. You can write here also. Write is there, which is seen previous program. You can write these two lines also there. These two lines we can use here for the expected delay is there. Then delay A call delay. Then you have to use the clear P2.3. Here is set bit 2.3 means what? Pin 2.3 contain a value of 1 is there. P 2.3 is contain a value of 1 is there. Then after that clear P 2.3 means what? You have to clear the pin port 2.3 is there. You have to clear the port 2.3 is there. Okay. Then A call delay is there. You can say A call delay is there. Then S jump L1 is there. Again process will be continuous there. Again the process will be continuous there. Again process will be continuous there. Okay, understood. Again process will be continuous there. Okay, so set bit port 2.3 A call delay, then clear port 2.3 is there, A call delay, and then HM L1 is there. So in this way you have to toggle the port 2.3 bit is there. You have to toggle the port 2.3 bit is there. So this is simple programming is there. Here we have to use the bit manipulation instruction. Here is the jump instruction is there. Here is also bit manipulation instruction. Only one bit is used is there. Then here is a call delay is there, and then n jump is there. Okay, a jump L1 is there. This is also jump, and this is the a call delay is there. If you write a program in your sorry Kale software, this program will not be run because here we have to use the call delays there. So here we have to use the delay subroutine is there. Here is delay subroutine is there. You have to write down the two lines are there for the delays there. Then after that, the program will be run. When you take this program and put in your Kale software and say run the program, it will use the undefined delays there. It gives the delay is not recognized, or delay line should be not be recognized, or undefined symbol is that. You can say the undefined symbol also. You can say delay is not understanding is there. So this is the name of the delay is there. So this is the delay we have to call the subroutine. A call delay is we have to call the subroutine, and at the subroutine you have to write down the lines are there. At that subroutine you have to write down the 2 to 3 lines are there. So a call delay is a calling a procedure is there. A call delay is called a calling a procedure is there, where we have to use the program is there, where we have to use the program is there. So if you take this program directly on your software, the program will not be run is there. So if you have PC, then check this and check the program is right or wrong is there. Check the program is right or wrong is there, or any syntax they are given is there. So please check this program on your PC is there. Okay. So this is a delay program is there. This is a delay program is there. So this toggle bit 2.3 is there. Next. See, again simple program is there. See, 2 minutes per minute. Just I'm read the program, then check, see the program, because previous program, this program is very same program is there. See, a switch is connected to pin 2.0. A switch is connected to pin 2.0, LED, and pin 2.4. An LED 2.5 means your switch is connected to the pin P2.0 and LED is connected to the pin 2.4 is there. Okay. So write ALP means SL language program to get a status of switch, means you have to take a get a switches uh, status of switch P2.0 means P2.0 port is on or off. On means what? It takes a value is 1, and if it is off, you have to take a value is 0 is there. So you have to check the status of the port P2.0 and send it to the LED. and send it to the LED. Means suppose your pin number P2.0 is 1, then LED will be on. And if P1 2.0 is off, the LED will be off is there. So you take the status of the switch, and according to that switch, you have to send it to the LED there. See the same program is there. See the same program is there. Check kara the program is the same is there. Please see this and tell me if there is program will be run or not is there. Here I am using MoveC P2.0. MoveC P2.0. There is need to take the accumulator, or you can any register you have to take the register value of the port is there. There is here we are not use the accumulator is there. Okay, each and every time here we have to use the accumulator is there. Here we have to use the accumulator for each port, but here I'm not using the accumulator. I'm directly using the C is there. What is the meaning of C is there? C म्हणजे काय? इथे आपण काय वापरलंय? Here we have to use the directly port is there. We have to use the directly port is there, but here we have to use the C is there because we have to take only one bit is there. P 2.0 means you have to take only one bit is there. Here we are not using the whole bits of the port is there. You have to take only the port 2.0 bit to the C is there. And check this where this instruction is present. Move C P 2.0. What is meaning of the C is there?
C is a register value.
C is a register. Register आहे का C? बघा बरं. Just I want to open the architecture, then I will show to the just see. Just go to the instruction set also and then architecture also. Just share the result in wait. Wait a minute, just I want to open the unit number 3's architecture is there. See, this is the architecture is there. In that architecture, there is no register of C is there. There is no register of the C. We have only two registers are A and B there. There is no register of the C is there. See, there is no register of the C is there. We have only two registers are the A and B is there because A and B registers are used for your multiplication and division purposes there. So there is no register C. What is meant by the C is there? So just go to the instruction set. Here is the instruction set are there. See, here is the bit. These are the bit manipulation instructions are there. Here is the C. is a carry bit is there. C is used for the carry flag, means carry flag we have to use the carry bit is there, and this is the C is 1 or bit 1 is there. So this is for use for the your carry flag. We have to use for the jump is carry, jump if carry, jump if not carry. Means we have to work with the carry bit is there. We have to work with the carry bit which is present in your PSW is there. We have to present in the PSW is there. So these are the instructions we have discussed in the instruction sets are there. So this is the ORL, then jump if carry, then set C. These are the instructions we have to work with the only one bit which is the carry bit is there, because it is not possible to work with the registers where two registers are there, A and B is there. So for that purpose we have to use the carries there. Okay. So this is the C, means this C is called, this C is called for the which bit, this C is with the carry bit, means what, set bit P2.0 means you have to put value of P2.0 is there, then P2.0 is 1, this one is transferred to this C, then C will be transferred to the P2.0, again go to the L1 is there, again we go to the L1 is there. So you have to set the bit or clear the bit, according to that you have to take a value from P2.0 and go to the 2.4 is there, you have to connect the LEDs there, you have to connect the LEDs there. Okay. So can it possible here I'm directly take a set bit is equal to 2.0 is there, you have to take a set bit is 2.0 is there, you have to go to the port 0 is there. So can it possible to take a here see, when you set bits every time the LED will be on is there. If you see this program, there is no check the status of the switch is there, only we have to set the status of the switch is P2.0, and then only you have to take the value into the C and then go to the C value to the P2.0. So by using this program your LED will be always on. By using this program your LED will be always on now. So how can we check if I am putting a value of 0? If I'm putting a value of 0 in port 2.0, then LED should be off is there. So for that purpose, what is the program is there? Please see this and you have to make a changes in this program. Make a changes in this program. There. See, understood what I'm saying? If I'm run this program, if I am run this program, what, okay, this program will be run on your PCs there. This program will run on your KL software also by using KL software also, but only problem is that in port 2.0 a port 2.4 becomes a 1 always. Port 2.4 always becomes 1, because see here is set port 2.0, so port 2.0 is having a value of 1, this value is 1 goes to the where in your carry flag is there, then after this carry flag is moved to the port 2.0 is there, after this carry flag it is moved to the P 2.4 is there, again I'm going to edge jump is there, I'm going to edge jump L1 is there, again same process is done. Always P2.0 is contain value of 1, because this P you have to set a value of 1 is there, you have to set a value of 1 is there. Okay. But if you have put a value of 0, if I'm put a value of 0 means what, why I'm giving the P2.0 set bit is there, because this set bit is act as an input port, this set bit is act as a input port is there, this program will be run, because if this value it is act as the input port is there, input port of this pin is there, this pin is act as the input pin. So if I put a value of set bit P2.0, after when you have to press a button of this, then this transfer to the C is there, that's why him I'm giving the set bit P2.0 is there. Understood why I'm giving the set bit P2.0? Because this pin is act as input port, input pin is there, because you have to take the input from outside, the switch is on or off is there, the switch is on or off is there. For that purpose we have to put set b P2.0 as a 1 is there, set bit P2.0 as a 1 is there, then after input is giving the 1, every time when you give the 0 or 1 it is checked by the carry flag is there, and this carry flag set a value for the port 2.4 is there, and same process will be done, same process will be done. So this is the program is there. बघा तुम्ही करून program and just make a change, make a changes is there, you have to set bit, you have to replace this and you have to give this clear P2.0 and see what will happen is there. You have KL software with you, your laptop is or on PC is there, then you have to take a set bit, you remove this set bit, give the instruction is clear is there, and P 2.0, and C, check the output is there, and then C, the check the output of your program is there. Okay. So LED will be on. How to check the outputs? I'm sure that you have to go to the debug the program, and then when you debug the program, go to the peripherals are there, and in that peripherals you have to take a uh, port 0 port. Which port? Here is port 2 is there. Go to the peripherals, there is a again input output ports are there, input output ports are there, and then the input output ports you have to go to the port 2 is there. You have to go to the port 2 is there, and in that port you have to see the output is there. So check this on your, okay, by using KL software. Please check these 2 points which I am show tell you. Next is write ALP to configure the port 0 to input port and output for 80 for port 2 for the output. So such a program asks for the 4 marks. If there is a programs and ask for the 4 marks, which is the input ports and output ports. Why I'm taking this program? Because this is important for your online examination also. If there is an online examination is also, if they give the port A, some port 0 into hash FFH is there, then they may be asked it is the input port or output ports. Configure means what? You have to make a port 0 as an input port, and you have to make a port 2 as an output port. We have discussed this one, it's very easy. So when we have to use a port, when we have to use the port 0 as the input port, so you have to put a value of FFH, means all the lines of the port 0 should be 1. All the lines of the port 0 should be 1 is there. So you have to take FFH into the port 0 is there. FFH into the port 0 is there. Okay. So you have to put all the lines, and here is the 0 0 is there. So you have to put a value of port 2 is 0 0. So what is the meaning of that? When we have to use the port 0, port any port as input port, you have to put a value of 1 1 is there. And if you want to make a port as output port, you have to put a 0 0 in that. When you put 0 into in that is there. So when you go to the examination, final examination, so please see all the PPT, all the program PPT which have this is last PPT there. In that PPT you can understand lot of that what is the input port and what is the output port, and how to make the input port and how to make the output ports are there. So please check this. When input port, give the value of 1 1. For the output port, you have to give the value of the 0 0 is there. This is simple program. Again, I know I told you the restriction of that. First go to the accumulator and then go to the accumulator port. It is not facility to 8051 to directly go to the port is there. It is not facility to go to the. So please check this by using, write the program in your KL software and check this. First you have to directly give the move P0 comma hash FFH, because this is the immediate addressing mode. This is a immediate addressing mode. So A into write down the P0 comma hash FFH is there. So you know that the address of the P0 is the 80 is there. Address of the P0 is 80. Address of P2 is P1 is B0 and P2 is the C0. Sorry, 80, sorry, 80, A0 and B0. P2 is the B0 is there. Address of the P2 is the B0. By giving the address apart from the P2, then what will be the happen? It is the giving the output is right or not, or there is any a syntax error is there. So please check these 2-3 points when you are working with the KL software. First point you have to check, remove this A, write down the P0 and what is the output is there, what is the error is given by the compiler there. Again, second, you have to port P0 comma A, remove this P0, you have to put 80 is there. Remove this P0, you have to put 80 comma A is there. You have to put 80 comma A is there, and then you have to see if there is error is there or program will be run or not. So please check these 2 points when you are using the KL software is there. When you are using the KL software, please check these 2 points. If there is error, syntax error, or you are giving the no syntax error, it directly built is there or compile is there, and your output is right is there. So please check this. Then see, this is also program. Write ALP to load 40H RC register in bank 3. So this is the important point is there. Bank 3, RC register of bank 3. See, we are discussing that in our 8051 RAM, there are the 4 banks are there. Bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, and bank 3 is there. In each and every bank, we have the registers are R0 to R6. R0 to sorry R0 to R7 means 8 registers are there. So each 8 registers are contain 8 bits are there. Each register is having a value of the 8 bits. When we are using in programs, in previous programs we were discussing at the time of the practical session also, we are directly use the register R0, we are directly use the register R7, you are directly use the R5. But by default 8051 take a bank 0 is there, means R6 register is of the bank 0 is there, R6 register is bank 0 is there, R7 register also bank 0 is there. So by default the bank 0 is selected by the 8051, and from that bank 0 we have to take the register which are given into the program is there. But here they are purposely say that you have to take load the 40h value into the bank register of the 3. You have to into the bank of the 3 and register is the R6 is there. So you have to select the bank 3. You have to select the bank 3. So here how to select the bank 3? Here again bit manipulation programs are there. Set bit is bit manipulation, set bit. Okay, set bit PSW3. See, PSW3 means P means program status word. PSW is program status word. In 8085 we can say as a flag register. In our 8051 we can see the program status word is there. In that program status we can see the carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flags presents are there. In that we have to use the two pins are there, means pin 3 sorry 8 bit means 3 and 4 is there. In that case we have to use the bank 0 is there. आहे का बघू फक्त असेल तर. See, this is the program status word. So this is the program status we have discussed here. In that program status word, this is the carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, then F0 flag available, RS1 and RS0. हे किती नंबर आहे बघा? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 is there. See, when bank 0, RS1 PS4 is 0, PS3 is 0. Okay, bank 1 0 1 is there, bank 2 1 0, and bank 3 we have to use the 1 1 is there. So PSW.04 and PSW.3 you must put a value is the 1 1. You have to put a value is the 1 1 is there. You have to put a value is the 1 1 is there. Okay, understand, you have to put a value of the 1 1 is there. So here in port 0 we have to put a value of 1 1 is there, and by using 1 1 you have to set the bank 3 is there. You have to set the bank 3 is there. Okay, so here is PS set bit PSW.3 and PSW.4 is there. Okay, means you have to set this bit, means you have to set the bank 3 is there, and in that bank 3 you have to miss 40h into R6. There is no need to write down the R6 as the bank 3 is there. There is no need to write the R6 as the bank 3 is there, because by using program status word you have to select the bank 3 is there. By using these two lines we have to select the bank 3 is there. So our controller understand that we have to select the bank 3 is there, and in that bank 3 you have to use the register R6 there. In that bank 3 we have to use the register R6 there. So hash footage, if you compile the program, if you go to the debug, you don't understand the bank 3 select or not. Can it possible to see? Please check this, but not possible, because we are left side you have to only see the R0 to R7. If there is facility to R7, please check this. This is also, this your homework is there. Please use the Kel software is there. Then you have to set this program, and you have to go to the R6 into footage. You have to directly in your left side register R6 given by the footage. Then you can see that there is any bank of 1 2 3 0 is there. There is any indication is there. I think there is no indication is there, but there is, check this. So this is the R6 is given to the 40h is there. Okay, so this is the program. So we go to the next program is there. Write ALP program to push R0, R1 and R2 of bank 0 onto the stack and pop them back into R5, R6 and R7 of bank 3 is there. Okay, so this is the program is there. So first we have to select the bank R0 and R1. So R0 and R1 means bank 0 is there. Bank 0 means PHW3 and PHW4 are 0, 0. Bank 0 means you have to put a value of this one is 0 and this one is 0. आपण बघितले ते this is 0, 0, so you have to select the bank, 0 is there. Okay, then you have to put push 0, push 1 and push 2 is there. Okay, then you have to put a stack pointer is pop of back to R5, R6, R7 of bank 3. So you have to select the bank series. There is 1, 1. You have to select the bank 3 and you have to take back to the pop 5, pop 6 and pop 7 is there. Okay, so 5, 6 and 7 are the three register from your bank 3 is there, and push your R0, R1 and R2 is there. Okay, so this is the program for the pop means you have to take a value from that, and push means you have to put a value into the stack pointer is there. You have to put a value into the stack pointer is there. So this is the program. Okay, remaining program we'll see in next lecture is there. So these are the programs are related to the push and pop registers are there. These are the programs related to the push and pop is there. Okay, we are discussing the push and pop. See here I am discussing the port 0 is having the RAM register is 80, P1 is 90, P2 is A0 and P3 is the B0 is there. So apart from P0, can you give the 80H is there or 90 is there? See in your case software this gives the error or it will accept that as a port 0 is there. Okay. Just I want to check. Hmm. Okay, so remaining program we'll discuss to the next lecture, and 10 to 15 programs are there still. We'll discuss these programs on next lecture for theory session on Mondays there. Just want to show push and pop PPTs are there. Just wait for. Wait for one minute. Just I'm checking the slides are there. I want to show one slide for the pop and push is there. Okay. 9th